Hello, it's Angeline here. I'm back with another crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a spotlight focal card. So first, I've grabbed this stamp set called You Are a Blessing by Angie Blom, and I love the Bible verses that comes with this set. And I'm also grabbing the Migration of Beauty border background stamp set here, and also some Prima Color Bloom mist sprays here. So I'm grabbing an old box here to spritz up my entire card to fill up the whole background using my Prima spray mist here. What I love about this spray mist is it covers an entire background so quickly, and it turns out so pretty without any crazy blending as well. Once it is dried, it has a pearlescent finish and it is so pretty. So now that my background is all dried up, I'm using some Memento Luxe ink here in Peanut Brittle, and I'm inking up the Migration of Beauty background border stamp set here really generously with the ink, and using my Misty tool to ink up the entire card. If you've missed any spots, do not worry, just ink up the stamp again and stamp it up. To not get your paper moving, I've actually used a nifty trick here with some purple tape right at the back of my cardstock. So next, I'm going to cut up this beauty with some Avery L oval burst die here, and here is how it will look like once it is all cut up. So you will get a really nice frame to frame up your stamp and to create a spotlight focal point on your card. Next, I'm grabbing the pink and blue watercolored paper pack by Unity Stamp here, and to see which paper suits the background, and I've decided to go with the striped one, and I'm just going to cut this into size to adhere to my card base. This is also another paper pack by Unity and also gracefully designed, and it is so pretty. It is a must-have. So now I'm just going to assemble the entire card and just adhere everything to my card base. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!